Ghana, mashallah.
Ji Huzur, the year 2000 bug is said to create a situation whereby most of the gadgets that are used in the world will not be able to function properly until such time that something is done about it.
No,
Now, that
it doesn't mean all gadgets.
those that have
The problem relates to the television and transmissions. The television system can only run with the satellites in motion. And the satellites have been attuned to a calendar which did not have any room for the change of century. All the satellites are attuned to that calendar because at the change of century it becomes very confusing which year we are entering. When the 2000 ends, 2001 should begin. Normally this is the concept. But when you calculate the matter, then it becomes more complicated. You see, I don't want to go into that rigmarole, but I had once time to coolly think and then I realized how difficult it is. So all the earlier gadgets which relate to the transmission of televisions is based on a calculation which does not work at the time of the change of century into another one. So even if we continue to send our programs according to our gadgets, they will work. The gadgets we have will not fail. We can change the date if we like, but how shall we be able to transmit them to the rest of the world when the gadgets in the satellites do not work? There is the biggest headache which is facing the scientists and technicians all over the world, and they're hoping to find some answer. So we are just awaiting that answer to be given to us.
Huzur, my mind went to the situation when the third world will become the first world, because we are not used to using so many complicated gadgets.
Yes.
So then the first world people become third world
Yes.
people.
Maybe in a way they are already third world. This is exactly what I suggested to MTA. I said the best thing should have been for us to launch separate television system on our own from Africa, and it should be received by our own satellite system in the air. That could be the best answer of this, for this. But unfortunately we don't have at present the financial means and also the legal provisions to do that. I'm sure if we need, Allah would somehow provide us the financial support, but the question is that in a legalized system of the world, where all television systems are fully commanded by the third world of the West, you see, what can we do? We are in their clutches.